This video will teach you how to bulk import contacts to Outlook from Excel using a CSV file. Open the Excel spreadsheet with your contacts. Make sure that your spreadsheet columns are labeled. Click the Save As button. Save the spreadsheet as a CSV. Importing the CSV to Outlook. Open Outlook. Select People in the left pane. Click Manage Contacts. In the drop-down menu, select Import Contacts. Upload your CSV file. Click Browse. Find and select the CSV file you exported from Excel from your computer documents. Click Import. The CSV file is now uploading. Contacts are now imported. Click Close to finish. The contacts will be imported to your Outlook account. You can access your list of contacts by clicking on the icon of people in the left of Outlook menu. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.